Okay, so James, I'm really excited about finally kicking off this new series, the Daily Affiliate Playbook. Like we've been talking about it for ages, right?
Absolutely, Emma. Been looking forward to it. So the Daily Affiliate Playbook then. What's the big idea here then? Who's it exactly for, do you reckon? Is it for like total novices or more for seasoned pros or a bit of both?
Oh, it's totally for both, actually. Well, like aspiring and current affiliate marketers, from beginners right through to intermediate levels. The whole goal, it's to give people genuinely actionable, factual strategies for success. Not like just fluff. It's really about giving them a playbook, a daily playbook almost.
A playbook, eh? Sounds quite structured. So for someone just starting out, what would they expect to get from, say, this first episode and then moving forward? Is it like a step-by-step thing or more general advice?
It's absolutely step by step, James. Each daily episode, it progressively covers foundational knowledge, then effective niche selection, compelling content creation, then traffic generation, conversion optimization, and then like advanced scaling strategies. We're really going to build this up day by day. So like today, we'll really just start at the very beginning.
Right, the very beginning, so foundational knowledge. For someone who's heard the term affiliate marketing but isn't entirely clear on what it actually entails, could you give us the real lowdown, Emma? Because it often gets bundled in with things that sound a bit too good to be true, if you know what I mean.
Oh, totally, James. And that's like exactly why we need to start here. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is super simple, actually. It's essentially promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead or click you generate. That's it, really. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not some kind of, get-rich-quick thing. It's a legitimate performance-based marketing strategy. You're acting as a refer, basically. You send traffic, someone buys, you get paid. Simple as.
So essentially, I'm a salesperson, but for someone else's product, without the hassle of actually holding the inventory or dealing with customer service. Is that the gist?
Precisely. You got it. That's literally one of its biggest appeals, actually. You focus on the marketing and connecting the right people with the right products. The merchant handles everything else. It's quite brilliant, really, when you think about it. It levels the playing field for like individuals to start a business.
And why now, Emma? I mean, it sounds appealing, but is this still a viable, industry to get into? With so much online competition, one might think it's perhaps a bit saturated.
Oh, absolutely, James. It's more viable than ever, honestly. I mean, think about it. The e-commerce boom, right? Everyone's buying online. And consumers, they're looking for trustworthy recommendations. That's where affiliates, like we come in. We bridge that gap. The beauty of it is you don't need a massive budget to start. You don't need to develop your own product, which is huge. It's low startup costs, incredible flexibility. You can literally do it from anywhere, and the potential for like truly passive income is massive. You just need to know how to play the game smart. And that's exactly what this playbook is all about. It's about, cutting through the noise with actual effective strategies.
So it's about smart strategy rather than just throwing content out there and focusing on, I suppose, quality rather than quantity in a way.
Exactly. Quality and understanding your audience. That's key, actually. Building trust is paramount. You can't just like promote anything and everything. It doesn't work that way. People, they're savvy. They want genuine recommendations.
Right, building trust, absolutely. So we've touched on the foundations and why it's still incredibly relevant. Looking ahead, you mentioned a progressive approach. What's the next big hurdle or area we'll be diving into after this foundational talk then?
Okay, so like once you grasp the basics, the absolute next critical step and what we'll be really digging into in future episodes is effective niche selection. Honestly, James, it's where so many people like trip up right at the start. They try to do too much or they pick a niche that's just not going to work out. We'll cover how to find profitable niches, how to validate them, and how to avoid the common pitfalls. Because if your niche isn't right, you're just like building on shaky ground. After that, it's all about compelling content creation, then driving traffic, then optimizing for conversions. It's a journey, but we break it down into like super manageable steps.
Niche selection, eh? Sounds like the compass for the whole operation, really. So getting that right dictates everything else down the line.
It absolutely does. It's foundational to your success, actually. A good niche makes everything else like content and traffic so much easier and more effective. It's like planting a seed in the right soil, if that makes sense.
That makes perfect sense, Emma. So, for someone listening right now, perhaps feeling a bit overwhelmed, but also quite keen to get started, what's one or maybe two tangible things they could do today just to sort of dip their toe in, given we've just covered the absolute basics?
Okay, good question, James. I'd say first thing, really start thinking about your own interests and passions. What topics do you already genuinely enjoy talking about or researching? Because that's often the best starting point for finding a niche that you can actually stick with. It has to be something you're willing to learn about for the long haul. Second thing I'd say is just start observing. Look at the products you use, the services you subscribe to. Are there any that you genuinely love and would confidently recommend to a friend? Those are potential affiliate products right there. Don't try to sell something you don't believe in. That's just a recipe for disaster.
So it's about leveraging existing enthusiasm and also a genuine belief in what you're promoting, rather than just chasing the latest trend for profit alone.
Exactly. Authenticity, it totally resonates. People they can smell a fake a mile away. It's about building a sustainable, trustworthy business, right? Not a quick buck.
Absolutely. Sustainable and trustworthy. So, Emma, this has been a really brilliant start to what sounds like a tremendously useful series. What's the ultimate goal you hope listeners will achieve by following the Daily Affiliate Playbook daily?
Oh, the ultimate goal, James, is for them to really build and grow a profitable affiliate marketing business. One that's sustainable, that gives them true freedom. We're not just throwing information at people. We're giving them a clear path, step-by-step guidance. I mean, we want them to feel confident, to move beyond just understanding what affiliate marketing is to actually implementing strategies that work. It's all about turning that knowledge into tangible results. So when we talk about foundational knowledge, it's not just theory. It's laying the groundwork for real-world application. We just really want people to succeed, and to avoid all those common mistakes that newcomers often make.
Sounds like a solid blueprint for success. I'm certainly looking forward to the next episode, delving deeper into those strategies.
Me too. It's going to be a fun journey, James.